Wait. Go ahead. What does it say?
Words best, that, hands down.
Cool.
This is my dad.
Can you read this to me too?
No.
Come on, please.
Daddy, I love you for all that you do. I'll kiss you and hug you, 'cause you love me too. You feed me and need me to teach you to play. So smile and because I love you on this Father's Day.
Thank you. That's awesome.
No, let's take you.
No, leave him.
Kiss Daddy!
Have a kiss.